Pesavento for TFNN, nothing like a little wild and woolly market. Several people emailed me, have I ever seen this before, folks? If you lived during the 90s, the master of this was none other than Alan Greenspan. He knew how to play the markets better than anybody. In 1995, right in the middle of the day at around 11:30 in the morning, during trading the S&P with big handles, it was not 50 points, it was $500 a point, Bernanke decided to drop interest rates 1%. And believe me, folks, there was a gap there that destroyed the Chicago Mercantile Exchange traders. They had to finance their own traders just to get them to keep them in business, because there were so many bankruptcies that next day. It was just truly, it was worse than the 87 crash. That's how many bankruptcies there were. They put it all together, but why he did it, 1% on that day, I don't know. But there was a thing called the Plunge Protection Team that was instigated during the 87 crash. It was Alan Greenspan, his dearest friend and CEO of Citicorp, Robert Rubin, and Larry Summers of Harvard, and they were to orchestrate why the stock market had to stop going down on the 19th and 20th of October. They didn't know that that was an exact 61% retracement of the low from August 9th of 1982, and that's what it was. The Dow was trading around 1,600, and they came out, and what they did was they allowed the investment banks to mark all their inventory to market, not at what they bought it for, it's what they had it where it was in the market. And by golly, that gave them buying power. And the next thing you know, we started a rally that lasted until February of this year. And anyway, that's what you have to go through. Now, these happen very, very quickly. There's not much you can do about it. And just because someone says something doesn't mean that it's true. But I was doing this exactly at 6 o'clock, folks. For some reason, I overslept this morning, first time ever, in a long time anyway. This market was trading right up here. Let's put the hourly up because it was real early this morning. And then we'll get back and we'll talk about it here in just a little bit, okay? Jeff Hughes will be our guest today.